Steel is one of the most versatile materials in the world and is used in a wide range of applications, but not all steel is created equal. One steel that is highly sought after in the manufacturing industry is 12L14 steel. 12L14 steel is a free machining steel that is known for its excellent machinability and superior finish. It's made by adding lead to plain carbon steel, which creates a material that is easy to shape and cut. This makes 12L14 steel bar stock ideal for a variety of applications, including fittings, bushings, and hydraulic components. It is also used extensively in the automotive industry for its excellent wear resistance. At Advanced Grinding, we specialize in precision centerless grinding of 12L14 steel round bars. Our state-of-the-art equipment allows us to grind these bars to the tightest tolerances, ensuring that our customers receive the highest quality finished product. Whether you need 12L14 steel bar stock for your own manufacturing processes or require precision grinding services, Advanced Grinding has you covered. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing our customers with exceptional service and top quality products.